This is Amar from LSI factory. So we have delivery 1 PI Nafiza 75. So we facing problem for the zipper hard issue. So last 2 days we are meeting with Nafiza head office as well as the Jan composite with the top management. So here we found some discrepancy our delivery between after swing. So let's see first our delivery zipper before swing is very smooth, no have any stop in the mid of the zipper. So I am checking our delivery zipper without swing. That one also same. So that area no have any problem. So it's easily go and come for the puller and the teeth. So first I show the second things. So this is the zipper swing on the Jan composite. So here the zipper is after swing is have the curve. You see the curve. This curve is coming for this is weavy. This weavy is coming from that area, and it's also the same is weavy coming. So based on the garments fabric is coming the weavy, and if it goes for the straight during the swing time, so whatever problem is showing the Nafiza, it will be solved. So that's why we are making another garments from our side. So let's see this garments is I am going to separate from my teams. So let's see this another garments. That one we are just open the swing and we are going for the altar. Same zippers we are making, only swing part is open and re-swing. So whatever is now is very straight is coming, straight, no any weavy for that area, and that also same. So it is also is acceptable for the garments, and it's also will be note that our zipper we cannot test on with the garments. So before swing we are making one by one and checking also QA pass and give to delivery. So this is the message from our side. So the summary is if we go for the straight swing on the pocket that area, it will be solved. So our zipper basically no have any problem. Thank you very much.